Hey there, quick review on this CRAFTSMAN small parts organizers. I've purchased a bunch of small parts organizers over the years, and you really want to take your time and pick the right brand first because they all integrate and stack on top of each other, and you want to get the best one. I will tell you, there's some very unique things about this one that I really like above other units that I've bought. First off, let's start with the plastic drawers themselves. These are cut really well. I've purchased other brands where the top edge is very roughly cut, it's very jagged, it's not smooth. These are very, very nice the whole way around. They've also got two areas here where you can add dividers to make these into 3 compartment bins. As you can see, you can pull these out and they will stay in place. And if you want to remove these and go to the work, whatever you're working on, it's just a matter of lifting it up a little bit and it'll pull out, but otherwise it'll hang there just like that. So I do like the fact that these are supported the whole way also. I shouldn't say the whole way. They've got about support going back about halfway here, which is better than other brands that I've purchased. So that works really well. And again, as you can see, all of these are hanging out. None of them are falling. That's because it's just a very effective, simple design. So we'll let those go back in here. Now let's take a look at the back. This is another thing I like about this brand, and it is superior to other brands that I've purchased. It has these supports going all the way up and down the back, and they're very rigid, they're thick, which means that this is not gonna sag under weight if you add another additional parts bin or 2 on top of it. It's much more structurally sound than other units that I've bought that tend to sag whenever you stack them up. You will also notice there are 4 keyhole slots on the back here where you can put screws onto the wall and then hang this on the wall if you want to do that as well. You'll notice here on the bottom, it does have feet on the bottom, and those will mate with these holes on the top so that you can stack these units up, and it'll also be well supported the whole way because of the way it mates together. These CRAFTSMAN organizers are not the best selling organizers out there, but I think they should be. In my experience, the CRAFTSMAN organizers are a superior product, superior build quality, and I wish that if I could go back in time, I would have started with these CRAFTSMAN units for everything in my shop.